Hi, Paul.
Hi Tina, I've seen that you commented the pictures on We WAGO last night. How did you actually do that?
There's the new app now. With it, you can access We WAGO from everywhere and even comment on it.
I'm really looking forward to this appointment. But tell me, where exactly do we have to go?
Oh no!
What's up?
I forgot to look, and if I run back to the office now and check, we will be late.
Don't worry, I think there was a news story on this. It's right here. We are almost right.
Hey guys,
Hi.
Hi!
the topic for my thesis is ready.
Cool! Why don't you post it on our student microblog? I'm sure someone already had a similar topic.
But for that, I would have to drive to the company.
No.
You can do that now in the We WAGO app.
We WAGO app?
Yes, it's brand new.
It's really cool. You have to try it.
With the app, you have access to all We WAGO channels. So you can read, post, and like from everywhere, just like on your computer.
We missed the connecting flight and our colleagues are waiting at the airport. You don't have a WAGO phone either, do you?
No, but the new We WAGO app on my private one. Look, how easy. Here you can find all contact information on the road, even without a WAGO device. And the best is you can call or email directly from the app. Isn't that cool?